Something's up.
Something's up.
I don't like this. Something's up.
I keep coming home late. My wife's gonna think something's up.
You're really not following this, are you? Something's up.
Something's up with it.
I told you I can't help you.
Something's up. Did you hear anything? No.
Hello?
Hi, James. It's Peter. Something's up at McLaren.
Something's up. Hannah's in trouble. Head for the bank first. Hurry.
Yes, sir.
No Sentry, something's up. You got eyes on the room? Who's there?
Okay, we tried. Let's get out of here.
No. Something's up. Look at all these newspapers and this mail.
Okay, the FBI, they know something is up. What's up?
Not acting depressed. No, you're acting bitchy. But you're not a bitch, so that looks weird on you, and people are gonna know something's up.
Hey, who you spying on?
Lynette. She hasn't returned my last 2 phone calls. I think something's up.
All units,
Something's up.
we've been picking up some chatter about potential disruptions to the hover train's opening ceremony.
Disruption or threat?
Both.
You okay? Something's up.
They deliberated for 38 minutes.